Okay, for these problems, we are in Chapter 6, Exercise 35, and we're trying to problem solve problems by drawing a diagram. This is from Lesson 6.9. So, here you're supposed to draw a diagram to solve each problem. The starting point is drawn for you. Tanya walks to school every day. From her home, she walks 3 blocks south. Now, don't forget, this is north, that's south, that's east, and that's west. So she's going to walk 3 blocks south, which is in that direction, and then she's going to walk 4 blocks west to school. So this is going to be 4 blocks. And the question is, what is the shortest distance Tanya could travel if she could go directly from home to school? So she's going to have to go from there to there. How far did she go? Now that you've drawn the picture of this, you can use that picture to solve the problem using the Pythagorean theorem. We've got a right angle triangle here, so don't forget that this is a right angle. And my Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And in this problem, I have the a and the b, my 2 legs, but I don't have my c. So I'm going to go highlight each one of those numbers and put them into the different equations. So we'll use 4 for my a squared, and we'll use 3 for my b squared. We'll see where that gets us. So 4 squared plus 3 squared, and that's going to end up equaling our c squared. So to solve this problem, I first start by squaring each one of the numbers. So 4 squared is 16, and 3 squared is 9, and that's equal to my c squared. Well, I'm 2 steps away from solving the problem. The first thing to do is combine both the 16 and the 9, and I end up with 25 by adding them together, and that's equal to c squared. To solve this for c, you've got to remember how to get rid of a square. And the simplest way to do that is to take the square root of both sides. So if I square root both the 25 and the c squared, those will get rid of each other, because in the same way that addition and subtraction are opposites, multiplication and division are opposites, squaring something and taking the square roots are opposites. So if I square root a square, then it gets rid of it. And the square root of 25 is just 5. Put that on my calculator again. I would take that and put the square root of 25. So hit the second square button, which is down here. Sorry. Hit the second, then square button, which is right here. And you'll end up with the square root. So the square root of 25 is 5. So 5 is equal to c. And there's your answer.